Hello everyone, my name is Robin. I have been playing economical games from a long time and I know how to win them. Today is my first video stream. I am little bit worried, but I know I will win and I will show you how to make money in small time. So this is the site Focus Bet I was talking about. In this sites there are a lot of games like Dice, Tower, Mines, Crash and many more games. So in this site, this is the section where you can deposit money and there are various deposit methods. This is the withdrawal section and this is the section where you can check your history of the balance. So in this site, a lot of offer used to come. You have to check the Telegram pages for it. So today I'm going to show you how to play this game Crash. So in this game, there is one rocket. It will go to a certain point and you have to withdraw cash out your money before the rocket falls or it busts. So let's check. First round we will see, and after the first round we will put our money. This rocket is going. This is the section where you can see all the players, and this is the live section where you can see all the players who are playing different type of games. This rocket busts at 6.4, so you should have put your money and withdraw before 6.44, and by doing so you will earn your profit. Like this time I'm going to put 100 at auto stop of 1, 2. We'll start low. Look, we made money. The whole process